Right, so let's go ahead and open the box. Let's take this off. There we have the phone. That does look pretty awesome. This is the midnight black. So I'll be taking a look at the phone, but I will just go ahead and power that on. While that powers on, let's go and see what else is in the box. So inside here we have the case. I really like it that phones are providing a case nowadays. I know Huawei do that in some of the phones as well, so it's great to see that on the OnePlus. And then you have the user guide inside there, and the SIM card tray opener. I presume they may have some stickers as well. Yep, a few stickers there at the back. Nice little gesture always by OnePlus. Next we have an invitation letter. A word from Pete, the OnePlus CEO. So let's go ahead and open that. This is pretty nice. 5 years old and 1 million stories told. Friend, let me be the first to welcome you to the OnePlus community. Like you, we are driven by a passion for technology. What sets out our tech apart is that we imagine, build and polish it hand in hand with you. Have a look in the description below. I'll have the rest of this message listed down below. Then you also have your plug and a fast charging USB-C cable, and of course now you also have the headphone adapter because there is no headphone jack on the OnePlus 6T. Now I really like the gestures that OnePlus do with their boxes. They provide nice little notes, some stickers, a case. You don't really see that much, so they really care about their users. Now I'm going to go ahead and set up the phone and give you a quick snapshot about what this phone can do.